We are going to meet some of the most amazing and misunderstood animals on the planet, sharks. Sharks are the rulers of the deep, and they have been for millions of years. They have evolved to become the perfect predators, with powerful jaws, razor-sharp teeth, keen senses, and incredible speed. But they are also much more than that. They are complex and intelligent creatures, with unique personalities, behaviors, and social interactions. They play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of the oceans, and they deserve our respect and admiration. Join us as we dive into the realm of sharks and discover their secrets and stories. To begin our journey, we need to go back in time. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, long before dinosaurs roamed the earth. They have survived 5 mass extinctions and adapted to changing environments and climates. They have also diversified into over 500 species, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which can fit in your hand, to the colossal whale shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long. Each species has its own characteristics and adaptations that make it suited for its habitat and lifestyle. Some sharks have flattened heads that allow them to scan the seafloor for prey, while others have long tails that help them swim fast and agile. Some sharks have bioluminescent skin that glows in the dark, while others have camouflage patterns that blend in with their surroundings. Some sharks are solitary hunters, while others form schools or even friendships with other sharks. Sharks are not only diverse in appearance, but also in behavior. They have complex brains that enable them to learn, remember, communicate, and cooperate. They have emotions and moods that influence their actions and reactions. They have personalities that make them individual and unique. Some sharks are shy and timid, while others are bold and curious. Some sharks are friendly and playful, while others are aggressive and territorial. Some sharks are loyal and faithful, while others are promiscuous and opportunistic. Unfortunately, sharks are also facing many threats from humans. Every year, millions of sharks are killed for their fins, meat, skin, teeth, or as bycatch. This has caused many shark populations to decline drastically, putting some species at risk of extinction. Sharks are also affected by pollution, habitat loss, climate change, and overfishing of their prey. These factors disrupt the natural balance of the marine ecosystem and endanger the survival of all life in the ocean. But there is hope. Around the world, people are working to protect sharks and their habitats. Scientists are studying their biology and ecology to better understand them and their role in the ocean. Activists are raising awareness and campaigning for laws and policies that ban shark finning and fishing. Conservationists are creating marine reserves and sanctuaries that provide safe havens for sharks and other marine life. And you can help too. You can support organizations that work for shark conservation, such as Emperors of the Deep. You can educate yourself and others about sharks and their importance for the ocean. You can avoid buying or consuming products that come from sharks or harm them indirectly. And you can appreciate and admire sharks for what they are, rulers of the deep. Thank you for watching Below the Atmosphere, Sharks, Rulers of the Deep. We hope you enjoyed this show and learned something new about these amazing animals. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore more wonders and mysteries of the underwater world.